Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard social class video session, lesson 9, Land of Tamil Nadu. In today's session we are going to learn about languages and festivals. In this session we are going to learn lesson 9, Land of Tamil Nadu, topic languages and festivals. Tamil is the official language of the state of Tamil Nadu. However, people also understand English and languages spoken by the neighboring states. Several festivals are celebrated in Tamil Nadu, such as Pongal, Chitrai festival, Kartigai Deepam, etc. In this video, we are going to learn detail about the festivals of Tamil Nadu. Revered as one of the most religious event in Tamil Nadu, Pongal is a 4-day festival that celebrates the flourishing of harvest and praises the Sun Lord for bestowing the land with prosperity. Vinayaka Chaturthi, giving a special touch to the grandeur of Tamil Nadu, is Vinayaka Chaturthi, celebrated extensively over 10 days to worship the Lord of New Beginning Ganesha in homes and pandalas across the globe. Navaratri, honoring the divine goddesses Saraswati, Lakshmi and Durga, Tamil Nadu celebrate Navaratri by giving it a classical twist of chanting Vedic mantras and performing the classical dance forms like Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam. Chittirai festival, adding festive shine in the month of April, the holy city of Madurai celebrates Chittirai, a 2-week-long festival portraying the wedding of goddess Meenakshi and Lord Sundareshwarar in Meenakshi temple. Mahamaham festival, celebrated every 12 years. Mahamaham festival is a bathing ceremony that is believed to cleanse one of the sins. The festival takes place in Kumbakonam and is attended by thousands of Hindu devotees who take a dip in Mahamaham tank. A once in 12 years opportunity to drain your soul of sins is the tourist attraction of Kumbakonam Mahamaham festival, considered as one of the top spiritual festivals of southern India. On the day of Mahamaham, Hindus from all over the country travel here to take a dip in the Kumbakonam tank to wash off their sins. Natyanjali Dance Festival, showcasing the different forms of art for 5 long days and devoting it to the Lord of Dance, Lord Nataraja. This famous cultural festival is the glimmer to the land of Chidambaram. Kartigai Deepam Festival, an equivalent to widely celebrated festival of Diwali, Kartigai Deepam Festival is inarguably an important festival in Tamil Nadu, with its mention in the Sangam literature. Lamps are lighted in the hope of warding off evil on his festival. Kartigai Deepam, rejoiced in the month of Kartigai, November to December. This festival is linked with the conjunction of the moon with Paurnami and the constellation Kartigai festival of lights is what people revere this 3-day celebrations. Jallikattu Bull Festival, a traditional spectacle in which a bull is released into a crowd and participants attempt to grab the hump of it in order to climb to remove the coin or flag placed on the bull's horn. The festival has gained a lot of attention due to an element of absolute thrill. This is the one-day festival that is celebrated on the 3rd day of the famous cultural festival of Tamil Nadu Pongal, on the day of the Mattu Pongal, which mostly falls between 13, 14 and 17 January every year. This bull taming sport is organized in the villages of Tamil Nadu. Music and Dance Festival, Chennai. Blessed by the charm of South India's classical music and dance forms, is the festival is celebrated in the capital city of Tamil Nadu, which tops the list of the popular festival and fairs. Diwali festival in Tamil Nadu. The festival of light is celebrated with as much enthusiasm as in any part of India. In this festival, the Tamil communities commemorate the defeat of Narakasura, who represents the evil, and they light up the lamps. Lighting the dark corners of your life and filling it with happiness is the festival of lights of South India. Diwali, observed in the month of Aipasi. The South India states celebrate this popular festival one day before the North Indians. Saraswati Puja, idealized as the goddess of knowledge, is the divine deity Saraswati, who along with all the means of education and instruments are showered with love by worshippers in this auspicious puja. I hope you got clear information about languages and festival of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.